Okay, good morning. So it's been a little bit of a time since I've come out and just done a bit of a flying day. We've got a bit of fun this morning actually. So we've come out for a beautiful sunrise in the Balinese rice fields. This is Dalang rice field, and a couple of people here. One you've seen on the channel before if you've been watching for a while, and then also a bit of a new character. Now today I'm going to do some high-speed cinematic. I want to try and get super fast, going fast low along the rice. Now if you're following me on Instagram, you will have seen I don't know when this video's coming out, but I've been posting a couple of high-speed cinematic reels. I want to try and get some more here. And also we'll try and do some chasing, all that fun stuff. The sun, as you can see here, is just starting to peep through the gaps in the trees, so need to get something up in the sky. Let's go. Some of you might recognize Stefano from previous videos, and he's currently enjoying flying the Johnny FPV Edition 5-inch drone.
How cool is this? I love it.
Johnny FPV being repped. Here's Patrick, new character.
Limited edition.
Enjoying the Mavic life. Wow, look at that. So good. Bali is a cheat code for bangers.
Don't fill my pants, please.
I also brought along my Air 3 and managed to capture some stunning footage of the rice fields during sunrise. I love flying both FPV and regular drones. They both create such different footage and I enjoy both, so here's a little bit of footage from the Air 3. As I finished up with the Air 3, things at the mobile airport were getting a little bit busy. It's all going off. Okay, the lighting is starting to get a little bit better. Time to push up the camera angle. Maximum angle! Okay, so starting off by doing a little bit of a scout. Always like to get up the first battery and have a little bit of a look around to see where could be good lines. This here is the main line, flying along this part. This is where we're going to do high speed a bit later on. But for now the sun isn't quite high enough for that, but have a look at this. Let's try and get some nice... This side, not so bad. Okay. Beautiful. Oh my god. Also just before this I flew the Air 3. I haven't flown it in a long time. But it looked absolutely stunning. These places, they always look great from both Mavic style drones and FPV. It's just a different style, but both beautiful. Wow. After the scouting flight, I waited a little bit just to let the sun come up more before my next flight. Okay, we're going to go up now again. The lighting's got a little bit better. We're going with the AOS 3.5 this time, and the camera angle on this one is absolutely criminal, so let's see what we can do. Up goes Patrick. Okay, here we go. Let's get a quick blast by for the old Instagram hook. Where am I? There, okay. Woohoo! Oh my god, the angle is crazy. Okay, let's send it. Big speed. Oh, Patrick just came in front of me. We're going for the overtake. Ah! Woo! I had to punch a bit high to get the speed, but oh, that was funny. Great timing. Speed! Okay, we're at 110. Oh, we've punched a bit high there. Wow, the battery goes so much faster when you're doing high speed, but like, still got 4.5 kilometers flown. It's crazy. Sneak up on Patrick. Dunk. All right, let's go again. Camera angle even higher this time. Let's see. Whoa, it feels so strange. When you're at these higher angles, the roll and yaw is so mixed. Like, roll is yaw and yaw is roll. Let's give it a go. What can we do here? Maybe a bit of a split S over these trees. Let's come over here. Whoosh. Through this gap. Push it down. Punch the speed. Okay, that was pretty good. We can do better though. He says with an average throttle of 70%. Wow. Even though you're going fast, because it's so big, it doesn't feel like you're going that fast. The space. Whee! The first run was good, but I knew that we could go even faster, so I lined up and went for it. Oh my god, the speed! Whoa. God. Crazy. Woo. Let's come back. Get some speed coming back as well. After being happy with my run, I wanted to find a couple of gaps to fly through to change up the style of shots a bit. The lighting could have been a bit better, but the scenery still looks absolutely incredible regardless. Getting caught up in all of this high-speed flying drained my battery pretty quickly. Oh my god, the battery. Okay, I've got very low battery, watch out, I'm just going to come in. Stefano had recently installed the Joshua Bardwell sound pack on his radio, but his receiver was struggling a little bit in this location.
Drone lost.
Bardwell's here, sensor lost.
Hey, now I lost my Mavic, look, it's grayed out.
Everybody's losing stuff.
Everybody's losing signal.
Pilot lost, drone lost. Here he comes. Woo! Sensor lost. Okay, a bit of BTS going now. He's trying to get a nice hook for his reel. I think I already got a little hook for my reel. I don't really post too much on Instagram, to be honest, but I've started to have a little bit of a play with it, see what's going on. Okay, a bit of BTS going on for his reel hook.
Ooh, wow, so beautiful! Oh my god!
You were like, woo! You're like, woo! Show the emotions.
I don't know about your acting career.
Go ahead on the plan.
Wow! My god, this is amazing! Oh shit, what's happening? Oh my god! Oh! Oh my god! Wow!
Oh my god! It was good, but it was so funny at the same time. It was like, don't laugh, don't laugh.
This is amazing.
That was your best acting for sure.
I had an idea.
Okay, me and Patrick are going to do a little bit of 5-inch chasing. Nazgul time, repping iFlight. Okay. Okay, yeah, I see you. I'm just playing catch up. Yeah, I'm just gonna come past you, nice and slow. Heading towards the line. Okay, do you see me?
Okay. Wait. Go.
Yeah, okay. Chasing always relies on good communication. So firstly, I showed Patrick the line that we would be flying.
Why are you going so high?
Easier for you to see. You there? Through the palms.
I have to go very high.
Whoa,
I
signal
was
is bad.
1 megabit.
Yeah, I saw 5. I was like, oh.
Okay.
Okay, I see you. You can go. Yep. Now it's my turn to chase, but Patrick had some other ideas in mind.
This is good. Whoa! This is so good. Holy shit! Whoa! Whoa! My God! This is so good. Oh! Top gun.
He did a move. That was wow, that was so good, yeah. Wow, that was amazing.
Okay, back. I need to see this.
That was amazing. Wow. When he rolled, I thought he was done.
You do it quick, it's fine.
Yeah, I thought you were gone. Oh, he's had a desync, he's out. Okay, it's time to show them what it looked like from my perspective.
Wow, we got the best fucking.
What the fuck? It didn't look like this in my goggles.
I was like, he's gone.
Yeah, I'm fucking gone. It looked like this.
I thought you were gone. Yeah, you just went. Whoop.
They're all so strange.
But it looked good in my camera. I need to see it again.
So funny. After that, I sent the Dark Star 22 up for a little fly around. I found Patrick with his Mavic 4 Pro taking some shots, so I had a little fun with him, and then I tried some nice, low-level, fast flying along the path.
I ain't got the patience, permanent vacation. Everywhere that I go, I still gotta be in my zone. 'Cause I can't stop moving in my own way. I can't stop doing it my own way. I can't stop living in my own way. In my own way. In my own way. I can't stop moving in my own way. I can't stop doing it my own way. I can't stop living in my own way. Oh, in my own way. Yeah, gotta live a little. Meet me in the middle. Switch it in a high gear.
Okay, so that's going to be pretty much it for this one. Something a little bit different. I often go out and do these sort of sunrise missions, but most of the time I don't film them. I just head out and enjoy the whole experience. But today I thought I'll bring you along so you can enjoy it as well. All sorts of shenanigans. As always, there's always some kind of excitement going down at these things. So yeah, I do hope you have enjoyed it. If you have, make sure to leave a like down below, subscribe for more content like this. And if you do want to see more stuff like this, do let me know in the comments. They're pretty easy videos to make, so just let me know. But apart from that, have an amazing day. And I'll see you in the rest. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.
It didn't look like this in my goggles.